Ah, another needless wool. Well, we do know, of course, about those beautiful accordion wools from Airstream, which actually were really weird and cumbersome and took up lots of space and were quite heavy for what they are, I should say. This wool right here, okay? If anybody out there is into making comments and, you know, putting their 2 cents worth in, I'd love to see what you guys have to say about this wool right here. Because let me just add to it like this. You can see it there, right? I'm going in the closet. I'm talking about that wool right there. Because what we have here, that's the top of the wardrobe, which goes like this, okay? Which sits on these, so you can kind of see down the line there. So you have a place to put your hats, if you will, okay? Down below, that rotting little orifice of whatever the fuck, that right there I will replace with the modern acrylic type material that'll match the, you know, the end caps, okay? And the same, I'll use the same material for that. This right here is the lid for the water plumbing, the water pump, etc., right? And that has a little piano hinge door on it that goes like that, lifts up. So picture this. You've got your 3-door closet, boom, 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 right? And then you've got this area, which I put right here, you know, not needed, right? Okay. Then you've got this wall here, okay? And that goes to that wall, and that goes to this wall. So my question is, what if you remove this wall? Because all this is a place to hang your jackets. And it goes all the way down to the floor there. So, I mean, you'd have to really be, maybe this is your laundry hamper, you know what I mean? But why have this wall here? I'm voting X-nay on this wall, right? I'm voting take that wall out. Take this, right, and this, and have a connecting piece go behind, if I can. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, it's just, in other words, when you look here, you'll literally have. I mean, I could honestly even put this right against that, and I would lose this much closet, right? But does anybody know? Does anybody care? I mean, I'm losing a little bit of closet space. So this and this. See how they have a hole there? See, and then back over here, there's a hole there. See what I'm saying? So they just bolt together, and then this wall would go in like that much more. All right. So it wouldn't be exactly together, but boy, you'd have more leg room here for the custom mattress that you wanted to put if you wanted to do that. Just an idea, but I mean, I'm tall. I'm 6'2", so for those people that are tall, I mean, my head goes from right there, you know, to the end. I like to have a bit of, you know, I like to be able to not have to touch, you know, my head or my feet when I'm sleeping. So that becomes a viable option. Adding another, 5 inches right here. That means getting rid of this, getting rid of that, getting rid of this, clamping this to that, and we're done, baby. You know, this piece right here would come all the way, connecting the two down on the bottom. I'm talking about, we're cooking with gas here, baby. I mean, to my mind, that makes more a smarter decision. If, for some inexplicable reason, now you'll be going to the next video now for my next discovery, which you guys might really dig. If you're not like me, 6'2" and want extra leg room, but you want a double door refrigerator instead of these silly little RV Dometic fridges with the, you know, making you feel like you live in an apartment all over again, go to the next video and I'll explain an idea I have, which I might do.